Hi, boys and girls. Today it is Monday, April 27th, and we are going to do lesson 12. So make sure that you have your green workbook and that it's open to lesson 12 application problem, or if you have copies, make sure that it says lesson 12 up at the top, or in your page 67 at the bottom. So I'm going to give you some time. Make sure that you're there. Press pause on the video if you need more time to open up your book or get your application problem ready. And if not, let's start. So we are going to start by reading and underlining. Make sure your pencil's in your hand. Ready to read and underline with Ms. Gomez. Ready? Okay, well then let's start. It says, Kiana wants to have 14 stickers in her folder. How many stickers does she want to have in her folder? Get ready. Yes, 14 stickers. She needs 6 more stickers to make her goal. How many stickers does she need, boys and girls, to meet her goal? Get ready. Yes, 6 more stickers. How many stickers does she have right now? What do we want to know, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, we want to know how many stickers she has right now. So let's go ahead and work our problem. Remember, we're practicing on being second graders, so we are going to draw our tape diagram. So we're going to draw a tape diagram. I draw, you draw. Let's go ahead and draw the box. And we are going to put a K for Kiana because this is about Kiana. Okay, so now let's draw the arms where our total will be. And let's look at the first sentence. It says, Kiana wants to have 14 stickers in her folder. So, boys and girls, how many stickers does she want to have? Get ready? Yes, 14 stickers. So is 14 a total or a part? Get ready? Yes, a total, because that's the amount of stickers she wants to have, right? So we're going to put it in our total. There we go. And then it says she needs 6 more stickers to make her goal. So is 6 a part or a total? Get ready? Yes, it's a part. So we're going to draw it as our part because these are the amount of stickers she needs. So we're going to put an M for more. She needs 6 more. And the missing part we have right here is the amount of stickers she has right now. So since we have a total and a part and we're missing a part, are we going to add or subtract? Get ready? Yes, subtract. So say a subtraction sentence out loud. And remember that when we subtract, you start with your big number. You start with your total. So start with your total and tell me a subtraction number sentence. Get ready? Okay, so let's say it all out together now. Get ready? 14 minus 6 equals 8. Very good. Now let's write it. I write, you write. 14 minus 6 equals 8. And we box our answer. So our missing part, the stickers that she has now, is 8. We put an N for now. And now, as you can see, we already figured out, we already answered the question. Now let's write a statement to answer the question. It says, how many stickers does she have right now? So we're going to write a statement using words. So we're going to write together. I write, you write. She has 8 stickers now. Okay, and we figured out our problem. We have our picture, which is our tape diagram, our number sentence, and our statement. So at this moment, we're going to go ahead and start the lesson. If you need more time to complete your application problem, go ahead and press pause right now and press play when you're ready to continue. Okay, so now you're going to use this part right here next to your application problem and label it at the top where it says lesson 12 for your notes. So this is where you're going to practice problems with Ms. Gomez, and you label it lesson 12 so that you know that's the lesson that you took notes on. Okay? And I'm going to do it on my whiteboard. So this is our learning goal for today. It says, I can use place value to help me add 2-digit numbers. Well, let's look at our learning goal. It says, I can use place value. Place value meaning we've practiced, we know, use where our tens and our ones are at, right, in our numbers. So that's what it means. We're going to use the place value of the numbers to help us add. And then add means plus. That means we're going to work on just plus 2-digit numbers. And 2-digit numbers, all it means is numbers that have tens and ones, right? Meaning they have two numbers. Very good. So let's start. This is the first problem we're going to work out. So I'm going to give you a problem and we're going to do the first one together, and then we're going to try to practice on our own, and then we'll move on to our problem set. So let me get my problems out ready. And let's start with 24 plus 13 equals blank, because we do not know. Write it. Just write the number sentence. Okay, so we're going to work it out. And we're going to use strategies that we've used in Module 4 before. So I saw many of you did this with your last lesson in your exit ticket, which was really good because it shows you remember. But remember, we've used so many strategies, boys and girls, like our number sentence, place value charts, linking cubes, drawings, number bonds, so many things that we have available to you that we've learned, right? And we can apply it. Even though the numbers get bigger, we can still use the same strategy to solve our problems. So today we're going to practice breaking apart a number, which means decomposing numbers, which we've done before. It sounds big and fancy, but you've done it before. So now we're going to review and refresh our minds. So first thing we're going to do is break apart the small number. And which one is the small number, boys and girls? 24 or 13? Get ready. Yes, 13. So we're going to break it apart. We draw our number bond on the bottom into what two numbers, boys and girls? Let's break it apart into tens and ones. How many tens in 13? Get ready. Yeah, 1 10, but we write it as 10. How many ones? Get ready. 3. So we break apart 13 into 10 and 3. Remember, you're writing as I'm writing. Okay, we're practicing together. Now we're going to add the tens. So I'm going to circle it in colored marker just so you can see a better picture, but you all just follow along with your pencil. So these are the first numbers. We're going to write our first number sentence adding the tens. So the numbers that are circled, we're going to write. We're going to write 24 plus 10 equals, and what's 24 plus 10? Some of us may need more help, which is fine because they're bigger numbers, but if you know it, go ahead and write it. If you don't, let's go ahead and draw a picture because pictures always help, right? So we're going to draw 24 using 2 tens and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to draw 10 using 1 10. So 24 plus 10. What's 24? Now that you can see clearly, what's 24 plus 10, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 34, because you have 1, 2, 3 tens and 4 ones. So our answer is 34. Very good. And now we're going to add leftover parts. Remember these strategies? So let's underline our leftover parts, which is 34. And we still have 3 left to add. Remember, boys and girls. And let's also remember that 13 is no longer a number because we already broke it apart. So our leftover parts are 34 plus the 3 ones we still need to add. So let's go ahead and write our second number sentence. 34 plus 3. Well, we already have 34 in our picture. Some of us may already know how to do this in our head, which is awesome. But if you don't and you need extra help, just remember, you already drew 34 up here. And how many ones are we going to add? Get ready. 3, right? And we're adding 3 ones because they're not tens. So 1, 2, 3. Now we have 1, 2, 3 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. So 34 plus 3 is, get ready. Yes, 37. Awesome job, boys and girls. So let's write it. This is the number we box, and this is the number we write up here because that is our answer. So let's read the number sentence out loud, starting with 24. Get ready. 24 plus 13 equals 37. Good job. Has your memory been refreshed? I hope so. We're going to continue to practice, okay? Let's try another one. So make space for another problem. I'm going to erase this one. And this is our next problem. 54 plus 13. Okay. Now I'm going to challenge you. Let's go ahead and press pause on the video. You work it out writing your 2 number sentences, and then you press play when you're ready to check your work. Okay, so at this time, you should already have work and an answer. Now we're just checking your work, okay? So if you have anything wrong in the steps, make sure you fix it. Very important so that you can see what to do. The first thing you were supposed to do is break apart the small number. And which is our small number, 54 or 13? Get ready. Yes, 13. So we're going to break this apart. And we should have broken it apart into what parts, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 10 and 3, just like we did in the other problem. And what 2 numbers are we going to add for first number sentence? Get ready. Yes, we are going to add 54 plus 10. So that should have been your first number sentence. If not, go ahead and fix your work. Well, you saying some of you might know this already, which is great. You're like, I already know what 54 plus 10 more is, which is awesome. But if you don't, there's nothing wrong with drawing pictures, okay? So we can quickly draw 54 using tens and ones. So we can draw 5 tens, 4 ones. And we're only adding 10, so we just draw one more quick 10. So now we can see, boys and girls, 54 plus 10 equals, get ready? Yes, 64. And now we have to add, I hope you weren't done here yet, because we still have to add our leftover parts. And our leftover parts are 64 and 3. So your second number sentence should have been 64 plus 3 equals, when you think about this, you don't have to draw 64 all over again because you already have 64 here. All you have to add to your picture is 3 more ones. 2, 3. So 64 plus 3 more equals, get ready? Yes, 67. So that was our answer. That should have been your answer. If at any point in this problem you got something wrong, make sure you pause the video and fixed it. Now let's read our number sentence starting with 54 together. Get ready? 54 plus 13 equals 67. Good job. Okay, now make space for our next problem that we're going to practice. This one we'll do together, okay? So just to make sure that we keep refreshing our minds. Okay, we're going to do 45 plus 23. Ooh, bigger numbers. Ready? Okay, so we start with breaking apart the small number. And which one is our small number? Get ready. Yes, 23. So this is the number we're going to decompose, which means we're going to break apart. So we break apart 23 into tens and ones. So what two parts are we going to break it apart into? Get ready. Yes. Write it with me. 20 and 3. Awesome. And now we have to add to make our first number sentence so that we can show our work. So we're going to add 45 to the tens in 23, which is 20. So circle these two numbers and write your first number sentence. 45 plus 20. Some of you may know the answer, but if you don't, let's draw a picture just to make sure that we're okay. So 45. How many tens and how many ones do we draw for 45? Get ready. Yes, 4 tens, 5 ones. So let's draw 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. And how many are we adding to 45? Get ready. Yes, 20, which is how many tens, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 2 tens. Remember to say the unit. So let's add 2 tens. So now you have your picture and you can clearly see 45 plus 20 is, get ready. Yes, 65. Very good, because you have 4, 5, 6 tens and you have 5 ones. Now we need to add our leftover parts. So make sure that you don't forget that you're not done, because we still have a part that we still need to add. And our leftover parts is going to be 65, so underline it. And underline our other leftover part, 3. Remember that 20 you cannot use anymore because you already used it, and 45 too. So these are our leftover parts, 65 and 3. Let's add it up. 65 plus 3. Well, some of you may know this, right? Because you just count on. Remember all the strategies that we've used. And if you still need a picture, that's fine. You already have 65 at the top. Remember, you don't need to redraw it. Just add 3 ones. So 65 plus 3 more is what, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 68. So that is our answer. Make sure you box it. You box it down here too. Now let's read the number sentence starting with 45. Get ready? 45 plus 23 equals 68. Awesome. You guys are doing an amazing job. So let's practice another problem. Okay. This is going to be your new problem. We're going to go with 76 plus 23. Go ahead and press pause on the video at this time and work it out on your own. Press play when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, at this moment, you should have already your work done. And now you're just checking to make sure that you followed all the steps. Remember to fix anything that is wrong along the way. So remember we start out with breaking apart, which is decomposing the smallest number. Which is our smallest number, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 23. So we break apart 23 into what parts, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 20 and 3. Very good. Now we add our first numbers, and we should have added what two numbers? Get ready. Yeah, 76. So make sure you circle them if you didn't, and 20. So 76 should have been your first number sentence plus 20. Some of you may have known the answer. Others might have need a picture, which is fine. So we draw 76. How many tens and ones in 76, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 7 10, 6 1. So let's draw it out. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10, 7 10s. Let's draw our 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're adding 20. So that means how many tens and ones in 20? Get ready. Yes, 2 tens, 0 ones. So 76 plus 20 is what, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 96. And then we still have leftover parts. So let's draw it out. What are 2 leftover parts? Well, get ready. Yes, don't forget 96 and 3. So that should have been your second number sentence. 96 plus 3. Some of you can just say, Ms. Gomez, I can count on, which is fine. Or you can add the 3 ones to your picture. And 96, and you can still use the count on strategy. So you have 96 plus 3. So 97, 98, 99. Very good. So your answer should have been 99. Don't forget to box your answer. Now let's read the number sentence starting with 76. Get ready? 76 plus 23 equals 99. Awesome. That was an amazing job. So now let's practice our last one before we go to problem set. You ready? Okay, make space for your last one. So this is your last problem. 23 plus 57. Go ahead and press pause at the video at this time and press play when you're ready to check your work. Okay, at this point you should be ready to check your work and you should have an answer. So remember to fix anything if you had it wrong. So we have 23 plus 57. Remember you have to decompose the smallest number. What is our smallest number? Get ready. Yes, 23. And even though it's at the front, it does not matter. You still have to break it apart. What 2 parts do you break it apart into? Ready? Yes, 20 and 3. Very good. So now, we have to add the tens first, right? So your first number sentence, it should have been 57 plus 20. So you're supposed to write it out. And remember to draw out your picture so if you need help adding 57 plus 20. So how many tens and ones in 57? Get ready. Yes, 5 tens, 7 ones. Very good, boys and girls. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. And how many tens and ones in 20? Get ready. Yes, 2 tens, 0 ones. So we're adding 2 tens, 0 ones. So what's 57 plus 20, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 77. Very good. So now we have 77. And are we done yet? Get ready. No, we are not. Remember, you have a leftover part. And what are our leftover parts? Get ready. Yes, 77 and 3. So that would be our next number sentence. 77 plus 3 more. You can count on or just add the 3 dots to your picture and count on using your picture or using your mind, your brain. So 77, what's after 77? Counting by ones. 78, 79, 80. Very good. So our answer is 80. So let's start with 23 and read our addition number sentence. Get ready? 23 plus 57 equals 80. Awesome job, boys and girls. So now let's go ahead and open up our problem set. So our problem set should be on page 69. Make sure that you have it open. At the top it should say lesson 12 problem set, and at the bottom it should say page 69. Let me see if I can make this a little bit more clear. There we go. And remember, don't forget your heading. So go ahead and write your heading, name, date, and goal, April 27th, and your goal, 85% or higher on end of module. Okay, so make sure you press pause on the video if you need some time to write your heading at this moment, and press play when you're ready to continue. Okay, so at this time we're going to go ahead and practice. I'm going to do one problem with you all. They're all the same. You're going to solve. Make sure you show your work. If it's pictures, if it's decomposing, anything that you use to solve the problem, go ahead and show your work. You're going to do the same for one and the back. It's just a lot of practice, okay? So I'm going to do number A with you all. Let's do it together. Ready? So we break apart, we decompose the smallest number. Ready? So what's our smallest number for A? Get ready? Yes, 12. So let's decompose 12. What two parts can I break it apart into? Get ready? Yes, 10 and 2. So let's add the tens first. Ready? So circle with me, 84 and 10. That's going to be our first number sentence. 84 plus 10. Very good, boys and girls. And let's draw it out for those of us that need our pictures, okay? So 84 has how many tens and ones? Get ready? Yes, 8 tens, 4 ones. So let's draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. And we're only adding 10. So how many tens and ones in 10? Get ready? Yes, 1, 10, 0, 1. So all you draw is 1, 10. So what's 84 plus 10 more, boys and girls? Get ready? Yeah, 94. Are we done with the problem yet? Get ready? No, we can't forget about our leftover parts. And what are our leftover parts? Get ready? Yes, 94 and 2. We can't forget about our other part, okay? So 94 plus 2, boys and girls. We're going to add 2 more ones to our picture. And then what's 94 plus 2 more? Get ready? Yes, 96. And that will be your answer. Don't forget to write it on the line, okay? And you box it. Let's read the number sentence starting with 84. Get ready? 84 plus 12 equals 96. Very good. See how everything, and remember to show your work and write your answer on the line. Don't forget about it, okay? So you're going to do the same for all of number 1, all of the front page and the back page. And then for your exit ticket, make sure that you also write name, date, and goal. Please do not forget, boys and girls, it's very important that we always write our heading. And you're just going to do the same. Solve using number bonds. You may choose to add the ones or tens first. Write the 2 number sentences to show what you did. That means I want to see your work shown. I do not just want to see an answer here, because that doesn't show me how you worked it out. That doesn't tell me where you got your answer from. Okay, so decompose the smallest number. Write your 2 number sentences, add the tens or the ones first, whichever, but do not forget to write the 2 number sentences. Write your answer on the line. I want to see a picture of this. Submit it into assignments for a grade, okay? And if you need more practice, we will be doing this in the next lesson. So, okay, we'll get more practice. Bye.